By the looks of things, either I beat all the day hikers and they're not here yet, or I'm going to get this whole tower to myself tonight. What's up, guys? Thanks for tuning in back to yet another video. I am back at Rich Mountain, believe it or not. The original game plan was to head over to Pisgah and get up to Black Balsam, spend the night up there and do some astrophotography. I tried to get up there on Wednesday, and unfortunately a forest fire actually broke out. I was actually standing up on the ridge line, saw the forest fire in the valley, ended up driving to Black Balsam anyways, kind of shrugged my shoulders and thought, you know, I'll be 10 or so miles away from it. You know, they'll Forest Service showed up, fire department got there. I figured, you know, they'll at least get it contained enough that that won't be a concern. And say within under an hour, maybe even 45 minutes, that fire had made it from the valley all the way to the ridge line, and the sun was going down. So I'll drop a few photos in now, but pretty much the wind was blowing straight up the mountain, spread all the way to the mountain, and considering it was a Wednesday night, I had to go to work on Thursday. So they were shutting down the parkway, evacuating people out, and so I went ahead, grabbed everybody I could, everybody that was around me, and said, look guys, we gotta get out of here before this gets ugly. 12 ounces. Good morning, world. Looks to me like the clouds actually cleared out overnight. So I think I'm gonna make some quick breakfast, scramble up to the fire tower, hopefully not wake that crew up, and I think we might get a full 360 sunrise, which will be sweet. Essentially powdered milk, granola, and blueberries. Last thing I want to do is cook first thing in the morning, so just being able to add water, stir, and eat, definitely a game changer. All right guys, so I have about 3 hours of driving ahead of me, so as beautiful as sunrise is, I gotta hit the road. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next adventure.